Hello there. I thought I would give you guys a little tour of my apartment. Thought you might like to see that. This is before it's really furnished with anything. I just got here last night. So this is my little entryway here. You take off your shoes. Over here to the right, we have my little shower area. Has a brand new washing machine. Ooh, very fancy. See, here's the shower, and you can detachable little shower head. Right in front here, this is my bedroom. So you can see my futon over there. There's Bernard the bear holding fort. My little air conditioning unit up there. Have a closet with a couple of things in it there. There's my kerosene heaters for the winter. If you come out this way, here is the toilet. Little room for that. Got a little, actually I wonder what's in here. Oh, okay, well, some cleaning supplies, so forth. Over here we have our little sink. Hello, nice to see you. Got a little toaster, Gigi the cat on top of it. We have, of course, our nice welcome to lunch sticker and pictures of family. Can't argue with that. So we got my little mini fridge here. I'm hoping maybe I can upgrade that into a real fridge at some point. A little place to put stuff. We got a water heater and a rice cooker. And our little table. Sorry, there's a bit of stuff around. Have to go and give some gifts to folk. Got my little sink and kitchen area. Beautiful little view outside into the Tombeau. And there's our little stream back there. Those are all cherry blossom trees, sakura trees. It's gorgeous in the spring. I have a new microwave. I'm pretty excited about that. Got this as a sweet birthday gift. Thank you. It's a space pen. It's really awesome. We have my little secondary room here. You can see all my luggage. Little bar to hang all of our clothes on and enjoy the outside. Closet to, as you can see, hang my ties in. There's a few that I brought over. More are coming. Got some more hats. Oh, got a sweet vacuum cleaner. So, anyways, yeah, that's my house, or apartment, as it were. You know, it's a little small, but it's cozy. It's good to be back here, and I hope that you have enjoyed the tour. All right, Bernard, say bye.